Okay, so what I've got here is the same quad. I've modified it a little bit. So I still have the Naze flight controller in the center, and I still have the, where's the Spectrum receiver over here. But what I've actually done is I've routed the Spectrum receiver to this little PCB, and this is a pressure sensor, and this is a 9-DOF sensor, and then I have the receiver signals actually popping out here into this Arduino. And right now the Arduino is just reading these signals, and then it's just an input-output. It sends it right back to this ribbon cable to the Naze flight controller. Yeah, 1 second. So what I'm going to do today, so basically I have this thing in stabilize mode rather than rate mode, and so what happens is that this thing works as kind of like a master slave, and so when I send the commands to the Naze is just going to hold me in place, and when I deflect the transmitter here, it's going to move to different angles. And so I'm going to do 2 tests today. One is a hover test, so I just want the quad to come up and hover, and I want to see where my throttle stick is, so I can put that on the computer later. And then I also want to do a full right stick maneuver and see what angle the quad attains. All right, so I'm going to put this on the tripod, plug in the battery, and take off. All right, you got the transmitter on, switches in the right spot, plug in the battery here.
Bobby!
Hey, Lou. Okay, here we go. I'm going to arm, and green light is on, and I'm going to take off. Okay, so I'm going to put it in hover. Okay, and there's my throttle right there for post-processing. Okay, and now I'm going to do a full right stick maneuver, and hopefully it won't flip over. Whoa. So there you go. So hopefully you can see that in the video. It looks like it's hitting, like, I don't know, 45, 50 degrees. And yeah, and I am out of battery. Yeah, okay, that's it.